Welcome to Living Pianos. I'm Robert Esther, and today we've got a piece of music history here from centuries ago. This Baldwin, so well preserved and restored, and it is mind-boggling, actually, to think about the fact that this piano from 1897 was undoubtedly delivered by horse and buggy from another era. The gorgeous woodwork. It's the tone that you got to hear with the original soundboard in such amazing condition. I'm going to start off with the beginning of Mozart Sonata in F major, K332. The action feels so fluid. Now, we did put new hammers on it, but the piano had been restored, refinished, the plate regilded, new strings, tuning pins, damper felts, the works, just a number of years ago. And what a gorgeous piece of woodwork. You just don't see the kind of detail in the craftsmanship that you get from another era. So let's hear something lyrical. This is a little etude of Stephen Heller in B minor. You know, there's so many aspects to restoration of a piano, and when you can get that evenness of tone and a very light action for a grand piano with a kind of response, it's such a pleasure. And of course, you want to hear how it opens up with some Chopin. Let's have just a middle section of his military polonaise. wondering what you think about the sound of this piano. I'm having a blast playing it. And just to think about the history, all the lives this piano touched over centuries, and to have it in such immaculate condition at this point in time is truly amazing. How many pianos from this era are still around? Very few. And to be in this playing condition and aesthetically pleasing piece of furniture for your home. Leave your comments here at livingpianos.com. We're your online piano store, free delivery anywhere in the US. And we're always here for any piano questions. I'm Robert Estrin. Thanks so much for joining us.